Hello everybody, my name is Jaedin. Today I'm going to share with you a color changing slime. It's like magic. The ingredients are the color changing glue, this one yellow, and the magical liquid or the activator, this thing, the UV light, this one, and the measuring spoon, this one. This is how you do it. Pour out the color changing glue into a container. Add 2 teaspoons of magical liquid. 2 teaspoons. There's 1 teaspoon. 2 teaspoons. And then mix it. Add a little bit at a time and mix it well. And then stir it until it becomes harder to mix and the slime begins to form. Let's begin squishing with both hands. This is the fun part. Oh, so slimy. It looks like a spider web. Oh no, no, no! So fun but actually messy. Use the UV light to make the slime change color, or the magic slime. I'm gonna draw a heart. Now I'm gonna put in the sunlight and see what happens. We are here outside now. I want you to see if it's gonna change red. Oh, it's already night. Let's go. Dee-nee-nee. Hey, look, it's red now. You see it? Woo! You see it? That is magic colored glue. I think slime. Yay! Okay. Hey, red for a heart. I'm saying so lucky. Bye with heart red. Well, I want to make a heart with this because it's red. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you on my next adventure, everybody.